Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita. And so for today's video, since the last one was just a blessing, honestly, I had just great feedback and you guys seem to really love how I unboxed my iPhone. It wasn't like the best that I could have done, but I just wanted to just go for it because I was just so excited to see the iPhone and to set it up. So, since my last video, a lot of you guys asked if I could do a what's on your iPhone video, and I thought it was something that I actually wanted to do, but I just didn't know when I was supposed to do it because Christmas season, I thought about doing DIYs and stuff, but college is just taking a huge part of my life at this point. And so I rather just to give you now this video, and then the other one would be the DIYs for Christmas and like give suggestions and everything because, you know, I like this video. So for this video we are going to see what's on my brand new iPhone 11. So this is my wallpaper and this is the color that I chose for my iPhone. I think I'm going to put it on an airplane mode because there is a lot of notifications just appearing. So as you can see, this is my home page. I just have a bunch of like standard apps, but there is just the ones that I use the most out of all of them, so I just put them on my home page. And then I have Netflix because I'm just addicted, and whenever I'm like on the train or on the metro or just alone with my phone, I really enjoy watching Netflix on my phone. Then I have Pinterest because I'm a wannabe designer, so that's a very inspiring tool that I just use on my daily basis, not only for work but just for myself. I need to be inspired by Pinterest a lot, so yeah. Then I have my notes. This is a very important app because I just put everything that I have to remember or have to do on my notes. So the ones that I put on the bottom are just the apps that I use the most, the ones that I want to quickly reach for them. So yeah, I have Spotify. So I have my top 2019. Great, I would recommend just saying great playlist and podcasts and everything. Then I have my WhatsApp. And then my Instagram, plug, my Instagram, and then YouTube. Then on my second page of the iPhone, I have everything organized into folders because I think that's just a method, a way of me not to using my iPhone that much because, I don't know. You know when you buy something and you just get addicted and everything, so I don't want to be that person, and therefore I think that if I organize all my apps into folders, I wouldn't be, I don't know. It works for me, okay? That's what matters. So I organized, I have like 7 folders and I have plus Apple. They're just the basic apps of Apple apps. That I don't use that often. Then I have Extra, which is just a place where I have my MBWay, Cartão Continente, Revolut, Google Maps and McDonald's, and Mais Acesso, which is a very nice app if you're just going to places and want to share the accessibility of that place with everyone that uses the app. Highly recommend because it makes a difference. Then I have Camera, where I have way too many apps, but can't judge me, I'm sorry. I use them all. So I have Lightroom and VS Code to just kind of quickly editing of my photos because I actually have presets so it just makes everything easier. Then I have Fresco, Film, and Mojo for my Insta stories with, for example, whenever I published a video or anything, just to share my work outside of Instagram. And then I have Fonto, which is where I basically do my thumbnails and everything, so I have kind of a preset and I just change what I have to change. Then I have Fun, where I have some games. I actually don't play that often on my iPhone. I should, because now I have the phone to play, but I just don't. I don't know. Have Call of Duty, haven't played it yet. Candy Crush. And then I have Fit Coach, haven't tried that one yet. Then I have Shop, and it was supposed to be Shop till I drop, but it didn't fit because I decided to space each letter of the categories to just be more aesthetic. So yeah, I have a bunch of apps that I actually don't buy anything online, but this is just me wanting to buy anything online and to check if it's available or not. I don't know, I like to see what's online for shopping. I don't actually shop online. Then I have Plus Social, so I usually just reach for these apps when it comes to social networking thing, but I have Plus Social for Messenger, Skype, Facebook, which I just don't use it, but now that I have storage, I'm just like, I feel like I need to have Facebook to just go there once in a while. I don't know. Then YouTube Studio is basically the app that shows me all notifications, all analysis on my phone of my YouTube channel, so I think that's very useful. Then, well, I need to change this to work. Then on my work folder I have a bunch of apps that I used for work. I mainly use OneNote because it's an easy way to synchronize with my PC, Notes, Works, basically anything that I do in this app. It just quickly synchronizes and I think it's really cool. Then I have Canva for quick presentations that I have to do and I can't do outside, like for example, I can bring my computer to do on Adobe Illustrator or InDesign, so just a quick website to do everything that I want, and then I can synchronize with my computer as well. Then I have LinkedIn and Adobe XD, which I haven't used that much because this is for more like to see if the prototype works on your phone. So yeah, I don't know what else should I show. Please let me know down below if I missed something, but this is basically oh, also yeah, the control center that I have the flashlight, chronometer, photo recording thing, the battery lifesaver because that's nice, alarm, dark and light mode. I usually would go for the dark mode, but I don't know, now I'm just vibing with the light one. So yeah, that's I think basically everything that I have on my iPhone. I don't have much because I just don't want to have much things on my iPhone, just the things that I need. And yeah, that's basically it. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up and to join the fam down below by subscribing this channel. I'll see you on my next video, and yeah, bye.